Okay, you can see my screen, right? Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll start with what are the types of cards available in the market. So and then once we have the high level understanding of cards, then we can move into the payment side. Okay. So we need to understand what are all present in the card and how each card differs in the functionality as well as in the usage. So this is what usually we see it as a card, right? So we have the card numbers, we have the Visa, Mastercard branding, and we have what kind of card it is, like whether it is a cashback card, it's a signature card. So what all these things refers to. Okay, so the first thing when it comes to cards and payments, the term that you get to hear very often is the BIN number, what they call it as the bank identification number. The first 6 to 8 digits of the card, which is called as the bank identification number, because using this first 6 to 8 digits, they can identify whether this card is issued by Visa or Mastercard or American Express or Diners. So, Barry, so which is the most used card in Tanzania?
We are using Mastercard mostly.
Okay, all right. So, yeah, if you see Mastercard, the Mastercard always starts with five, right? If you see the,
Yes.
yeah, Mastercard always starts with five. So that is where they identify which card schemes this card belongs to. They have this um registered bank identification number for each schemes. So if you see American Express, it starts with three, and Visa it is always starts with four, and for the Mastercard it starts with five, and Diners it starts with two. So we have this first 6 to 8 digit is called as the bank identification number, and later part will understand why this bank identification number plays a vital role in the payment sector. Because when we go to a merchant supermarket where you go to an ATM machine, and it could be a different bank ATM machine or different bank supermarket point of sale other than your card issuer, but still the ATM machine and the supermarket point of sale device still accepts your card. So how does it accepts it? How does it comes to know? With the help of this bank identification number. Also, see, uh, apart from that, the type of card type issuing cashback, which means this card is exclusively issued for the customer to have a cashback privileges. And sometimes you get to see signature card. Sometimes you can see fuel cards. Fuel cards are where you get points added to your card, and sometimes you get to see air miles, right? Some certain cards where you use it for frequent flying or frequent travel, and you get additional privileges. So the bank decides what kind of advantages or privileges to be personalized while delivering the card. And here you can see card network. Visa or Mastercard is the card scheme, and here it is mentioned as signature card type acquiring. When it is mentioned as signature, it is possibly a signature card where the signature verification is mandatory. But these days we never see that. No merchant gets the signature identified, right? Or an, very probably it happens in India where we never used to sign the receipt, the merchant receipt, even if it is a signature verified. So earlier days during the Maxstripe card, we used to sign the signature during in the fuel pumps, where they used to issue a merchant copy and customer copy, where the merchant used to ask us to enter the signature and they validate the signature which is present at the back of the card. But these days, um, with widespread usage of EMV cards, the signature verification is less much reduced. More of them, it is not happening. Yeah. So this is the high level of the basic cards. And what are the types of cards we have? Charge card, credit card, debit card, and prepaid cards, right? So what is charge card? Charge card is something where you use your card and you have to repay the entire bill completely. And unlike in other credit cards, we can use the card and we can make the minimum due payment or a part payment, right? But in charge card, it is that you use your card and you completely pay your outstanding bill. So one of the example of charge card is American Express.